So circuits can be connected in series or in parallel. Now, if it's a series connection, they're just simply all in a row, and they all get the same amount of current, and you can see that as the charges move through, each one's going to get the same number of charges passing through it in the same amount of time. Now, voltage is shared across them, and you can see here as the charges move through these resistors in a row, they'll lose some of their electrical energy in one and then some of their electrical energy in the next. So each resistor will get the same current flow and a share of the voltage. Now, series resistors add together simply, straightforward, 1 plus 1 plus 1. And if a resistor stops working, if one of them fails, the whole circuit stops because you've broken the loop. And because the total resistance is quite high, it's got a small current. Now, parallel connections are all on their own little branch, so the current will split at each node. So what you can consider here is there's going to be a total flow of current in the first bit, and it will be spread between them. The charges will split. But each charge will have the same amount of electrical energy to convert, so each branch will lose the same amount of electrical energy for every charge that goes through. Now, resistors add up reciprocally in an unusual way, so you might need to do some practice on this, but the mathematics is relatively simple. The key thing to notice here is that the total resistance is smaller than any one of the resistors. Because the total resistance is smaller, the current can be really big. On the other hand, if one resistor fails, it only affects that branch. The rest of the circuit can continue on unaffected, and you still can get current flowing. Many circuits are mixed. You can have a section that's in parallel with each other, and then you can have a section that's in series with the parallel branch. So mixed circuits can behave in different ways, and you can put switches into the circuit or variable resistors. There are advantages and disadvantages to both types. With a series circuit, it's pretty inconvenient to lose all your circuit if one component fails. On the other hand, in resistance ones, if there's too much current, it can cause overheating or fires. Not very useful.